In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where you can't add a phone number in Steam. So the first thing you need to do is head over to the Steam application and then click on your profile name in the top right hand side. From here, click on account details and then scroll down to contact information and you can select add phone number. Now, if you're not able to add a phone number for whatever reason in this section here, then the first thing to try is to make sure you're accessing this from your laptop and not your phone. Sometimes if you try and click the email verification link from your phone, then for some reason, sometimes it won't work on your phone, but it will work on a laptop. So that's the first thing. Just make sure you're trying it from a desktop computer. And if that's still not working and there's no way to add your phone number, the only thing we can really do to verify and get our phone number added here is to come over to Help in the top navigation, click on its Steam Support, and then scroll down to My Account and select this dropdown. Then you need to select Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator and select this dropdown. And right at the bottom, you'll have this option to select My Issue Isn't Listed. So if you press this, we're now able to write directly to the Steam support team. So in here, you just need to write something along the lines of, "Hi, I'm unable to add a phone number to my account. Please can you help? My phone number is," and then just write your phone number. And then all you need to do is go ahead and press on the send button here. And now that you've sent this Steam support ticket in, what will happen is if you come over to Help again in the top navigation, click on its Steam Support, and then if you scroll down to View My Steam Support Help Requests, you'll now need to wait for one of the support team to reply to your query. So you can just keep checking this Steam support section here. They'll also notify you by email when you get a reply, and that should have now solved the issue where you can't add a phone number to your account. And that's it, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.